Here I have OPPO R17 Pro, and let me show you how to enable here Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's enable the home screen, use the upper bar twice, and here you should find Do Not Disturb. Let's tap it and you just enable Do Not Disturb. Here you've got the icon of Do Not Disturb. Here you can also use upper bar twice again, and let's tap Do Not Disturb one more time. So that's it. If you would like to set up the Do Not Disturb, let's hold down Do Not Disturb for a few seconds. Here you should open the following quiet time settings. Here you can also enable this mode manually. You can use enable automatically, and you can switch on automatically Do Not Disturb in specific dates. You can, for example, choose some rules, and here you can allow some notifications and accept calls and messages, for example, from some favorite contacts. Here you can also enable repeat callers. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.